The 2008 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, driver and passenger airbag, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, side airbag, child-proof rear door locks, power brakes, overhead console, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, traction control system, auxiliary audio input, front tow hooks, engine immobilizer, digital clock, 4-piece floor mat set. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.